Okay, today we are going to talk about writing an equation of a line given a slope and a y-intercept. If you remember last unit, we talked about writing equations in the function form, or getting y by itself, and that was in the form y equals mx plus b. If you are given a slope and a y-intercept, you can simply substitute each number into the equation y equals mx plus b, and you can write the equation as y equals, instead of your m, you're going to replace it with the 6 from right here, 6x plus, and then instead of the b, you're going to substitute in the b that you have right here of 5. If we see the next example, they give us a slope of 1/2 and a b of -2. So to write the equation of that line, you're going to say y equals 1/2 x minus 2. So that is how you write an equation when you are given the slope and you are given the y-intercept. Now, if you look further down here, you can also write the equation of a line given the slope and instead of the y-intercept, a point that is on the line. In this scenario, I am giving you a point, x would be 1 and y would be 4, and I'm giving you a slope of 3. So if you take your equation formula or your function form, which is y equals mx plus b, you can substitute the point 1, 4 and the slope of 3 into this equation. So your y is 4, your slope is 3, your x is 1, and your b we do not know, so we're going to write it as plus b. Then we have 4 equals 3 plus b. To solve for b, or to get b by itself, we have to subtract 3 from both sides. Now we know that our b is 1. That tells us that our m is 3 and our b is 1. Then we can substitute it again into our formula, y equals mx plus b, and we have the equation y equals 3x, the 3 coming from this number here, and the b coming from this number here that we just found. So our equation of our line is y equals 3x plus 1. Now, if you were given a graph, you could also check that this is true. You could plot the point right here, which is 1, 4, on your graph, and then you could count using your slope of 3, up 3 over 1, up 3 over 1, down 3 over 1, down 3 over 1. And you would see that this equation that we just created is a line that has a slope of 3 over 1 and a y-intercept of 1. So this is the same line here. This has a slope of 3 over 1, and it also passes through the point 1, 4, which we were given back here in the very beginning. Now, we are not always given a piece of graph paper. So when we are not given a graph paper, it is very important that you know how to substitute it into the formula y equals mx plus b. I'm going to do one more for you, and then you are going to try it by yourself on the video clip number 0. So you're going to substitute in x and y. Your y is -3, your m is 2, and your x is also 2, plus b. And then you're going to solve. So 2 times 2 is 4, plus b. Just keep writing b until you figure out what b actually is. We're going to subtract 4 from both sides to get the b by itself, and we get b equals -7. Now you have the 2 parts of the equation that you need to write the equation. You have the slope, which is 2, and you have the y-intercept, which is -7. So now when you put those 2 things together, the equation of the line equals 2x minus 7. And you don't need any graph paper to write the equation of the line. Time to try it by yourself. Have fun!